In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Peacock subscription. Step 1. Log in to Peacock. Open the Peacock website on your browser by going to www.peacocktv.com. Click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Cancel your subscription. In the subscription section, look for Cancel Subscription and click on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Once cancelled, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure to cancel before your billing cycle ends to avoid being charged again. If you encounter issues, contact Peacock support via the help section on their website. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe